Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials so tracking works. Sign in to the same account on your phone and on the web, and enable device location. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data are active because the service needs network access to report position. You should also check battery level. Low power can stop background updates. Now open the Find My Device or equivalent app. That's your control center to locate, ring, lock, or erase if needed. You now continue by selecting the specific device in the app or on the web. The map loads the latest reported position and confidence radius, which explains potential accuracy variance. If it's nearby, hit play sound to force an audible ring even if muted. Once you confirm location, choose Secure Device to lock and display a recovery message. This prevents access to your data. If the device is offline, make sure Last Seen Location is enabled and watch for status changes. Finish by deciding whether to recover or remotely erase. You should use Erase Device only when recovery is unlikely because it removes data and disables further tracking. After securing or wiping, immediately change your account passwords and remove saved payment methods to prevent misuse. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot. Confirm location permission, device sign-in, and active network on the lost device. If those are correct, retry or contact your provider. That one key tip: verify permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.